lovely gardening friends. How are you today? I'm Mark. I'm a biotech geek and your gardening freak. Today I would like to simply answer a few questions concerning the use of soil conditioners. This question comes quite often as we are more and more aware of the importance of organic gardening. So what we do very obviously is we use organic fertilizers, which is very well. But we can do a little more than that for ensuring total success with our plants because, as we know, plants live in a soil environment, and in this environment we have to consider what is called the microbial microflora. So it is a biome. It is a microbiome constituted of an incredible quantity and variety of different types of microorganisms that live together and that help also the plant to become absolutely beautiful and healthy. So what we have to do when we do organic gardening is to enhance the capacity of the soil to encourage and to sustain plant growth. And what we do is we use soil conditioners for that. So they go together perfectly well, just like horse and carriage, to ensure total success to all gardeners. And this is perfect in the conditions of organic gardening. So when you go organic, you use organic fertilizers, and we also use soil conditioners. So soil conditioners are able to help plants to grow using three mechanisms, and each one of these three mechanisms will be the subject of a video, of its own individual video, so that the explanations are very complete and very clear on what is the mechanism of action of those soil conditioners. And there are three modes of action, three distinct and very well characterized modes of action for allowing plants to develop completely. So the first type of mode of interaction is to encourage what is called the rhizophagous cycle. The other type of mechanism is to allow the differentiation of stem cells that are found here and there in the plant. And also the third mechanism of action is to stimulate the systemic resistance of plants to disease. So taken together, these three mechanisms go way beyond what the simple application of plant nutrients or organic fertilizers can do. Yes, plant fertilizers, especially organic fertilizers, are perfect for allowing the soil to be like a living organism. But there is more than just the nutrition of plants. You have to consider the rhizophagous cycle, you have to consider the differentiation of stem cells, and you have to consider the systemic resistance of plants to disease. So this will allow a very, very performing type of organic gardening. The second reason why a microbial soil conditioner like the bioponic soil conditioner is absolutely recommendable for allowing your plants to grow well is because it will stimulate the differentiation of the stem cells that are found in the plant. Inside of the plant, especially in the root system, and more precisely at the end, at the tip of each and every root and rootlet found in the plant, okay, you have a little cluster of those cells that are called meristematic stem cells. They're everywhere in the root system, and their role is to differentiate into a functional root tissue and allow the elongation of each and every root and each and every rootlet. So they are found everywhere in the root system, And they are also found in the aerial part of the plant. Like for instance, when you consider a stem like this one, okay? So you see those leaves that are attached to the stem, and at the point of attachment of each and every leaf, okay, throughout the entire stem, and in every stem you can find in your tropical vine or your plants, well, you have these little cells there, these little clusters of what is called the axillary meristematic tissue. And this is exactly where you find these stem cells. And those stem cells are ready to differentiate into either a bud or a root. So this is how you can have some very well branched and very strong plants with numerous stems by using and conditioning your plant with the bioponics soil conditioner. And this soil conditioner is especially useful when you make some stem cuttings in order to propagate your plant. So what you have to do is to simply mix 1 cup of bioponics soil conditioner in the water that you use, in the vase that you use for allowing your stem cuttings to root. The water will always stay extremely clear, very, very, very clear and odorless, and in no time at all will you see those little white bumps at the base of each and every leaf turning into a root. It's very, very efficient. So you can do that, for instance, when you have a plant like this, which is the Sansevieria plant, okay? And those plants are very easy to propagate by cutting the leaf right there, for instance, in its upper third, and by letting it stand in water that is conditioned with the bioponic soil conditioner. And those pictures will show you what happened at the base of those leaves. You see these lovely roots, and a little later what appeared were those little buds that differentiated into some lovely little plantlets. So this is how you can multiply and propagate any tropical plant of your choice. And also, the effect of the bioponic soil conditioner is very easy to see on rose bushes also, because at the base of your plants you will see appear some buds that will transform and differentiate into some strong long stems that will produce beautiful flowers. So you will see lots and lots of these shoots, these basal shoots that will appear at the base of your rose bushes. And it will happen also for all of the plants that you grow. So it is an action, a very interesting action, that you will not find easily by using any type of organic plant nutrient. A soil conditioner, also a plant conditioner, will do the job perfectly well. So it is also another nice green thumb trick for allowing your plants to be beautiful, healthy, and bushy. And of course, the more stems, the more leaves, the more flowers you will have, and the more fruits you will see appear in lieu of the flowers that fall and transform into fruits. So for vegetable gardening, it is a must. So there you have it. We have seen the reasons why we have to use a soil conditioner to allow plants to grow very well and differentiate many stems and many flowers and many leaves, and to be resistant to disease, and also to be perfectly well fed using these 3 mechanisms: the rhizophagous cycle, the stem cell differentiation, and the systemic resistance of plants to disease that is stimulated. So taken together, all these mechanisms will allow your plants to grow perfectly well and show much more vigor and much more productivity than just feeding them from time to time with organic plant food. Very obviously, we have to avoid the use of salt-based nutrients that will kill the life forms that are found in the soil and that are so important for allowing plants to be healthy naturally. So we give a good help to Mother Nature by using microbial probiotics such as the bioponics soil conditioner. You give your plants a favor by using this conditioner. And also, if you grow orchids, they will love their treatment with the bioponics soil conditioner because the making of their flowers have to do with the stimulation of the stem cells that are located at the base of each and every leaf. So you will produce many flower spikes on your orchids when you treat them regularly with the bioponic soil conditioner. And this research has been done in the beautiful country city of Singapore. And believe me, they know a thing or two about orchid culture over there. So by mimicking and encouraging those natural phenomena that allow your plants to thrive and grow something wonderful, well then, you ensure complete success, no matter if you are a beginner or a professional. Especially if you are a professional, you will sure see those effects taking place very rapidly because of your keen eye and keen sense of observation. Don't be surprised to see your lovely plants go bonkers for their bioponics microbial soil conditioner. Well, time to go. Thank you for sharing the videos on the living soil. It's for a good cause. It's helping the cause of urban agriculture, food sovereignty, food resiliency, organic local horticulture and gardening for everybody at the reach of each and every gardener. So keep taking good care of your lovely tropical plants, your lovely vines, your lovely spider plants, your orchids, your sansevieria, and also your beautiful banana tree if you have one. And in the meantime, have a great day and we will see you soon. Ciao.